How do you make a perfect smile? I'm gonna tell you how I make a perfect smile. And it's probably different than a lot of dentists. But here's how I simply do it. You come in with a desire for a new smile. And that smile means reshaping the teeth, a brighter smile, and straighter teeth. Then let's just stick with the fact that we're going to make it look good by this unique process. So one, we're going to make sure we identify your goals. What you're looking for. What it look like to you. Where you want to be in, say, 6 weeks from now. We then are able to pick out from a catalog of smiles what you want it to look like. We're going to pick the shape of the teeth. We're going to pick the shade, the color of the teeth. We're going to select the texture of the teeth. You want a little bit rough, more smooth. And lastly, we want to say how much we want to see through the tooth on the edges of the teeth. We want a little more youthful, a little more refined, a little more aged. So we design it. Then we have my partners design in a computer what that smile will look like, and we get a representation of the new smile. That new smile template will allow us to create other templates to actually try in on your mouth or in your mouth. Before we do any kind of work, you can take a look at it and see if it looks right for you. And if it does, we begin the work. As we do the work that first day, you will walk out with a prototype. You will not walk out with of teeth that look like they did before. A prototype made of plastic. That way you get a feel of what it actually looks like, how it feels into your tongue when you smile at people. It's gonna get some general feedback. It's gonna completely change your life. It looks so good initially. Try it for a week. Say, Doc, I like what I see. Let's go forward, make the real deal. So then we make the real final veneers or crowns, get them back, we place them in the mouth, and guess what? Before we actually cement them on, you can take a look at the color, make sure you're happy with them. But then we cement them on, and now you've got the luster of the color, the see-through, the texture that looks the exact same as a prototype you walked out from the day we actually did the work. That's how you create a perfect smile. We don't try to do the guesswork. Now there is an investment. It's more above and beyond, say, an insurance crown for whatever they want to pay for. So definitely some work involved, some time involved. But I tell you what, you value your smile, you value your confidence, your health. There's no better way to do it. And it's completely designed by you. So come see me, Modern Family Dental Care, before we can talk about your smile. Make that decision right now that you deserve the smile that you have always dreamed of.